My name is Emma. I am a mother. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The house is quiet and the day feels calm. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I check the time on my phone and get out of bed to start my day. I make my bed neatly and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth carefully. Then I apply moisturizer and get dressed in comfortable clothes. When I am ready, I walk quietly into the kitchen. I make a cup of hot coffee and drink it slowly by the window. After that, I prepare breakfast for my family. I cook eggs in a pan and make toast with butter. I set the table and call my children to eat. We eat breakfast together and talk about the day. After breakfast, I wash the dishes and pack lunch for my children. I help them get ready for school and check their backpacks. At the door, I say goodbye and wave as they leave. When the house is quiet again, I clean the living room and the kitchen. I sweep the floor and put clothes into the washing machine. Later, I fold the clean clothes neatly. I sit down and rest for a moment. I check my phone and plan my tasks for the day. In the afternoon, I go grocery shopping. I choose fresh vegetables and carry the groceries home. I put the food into the fridge and clean the kitchen. Soon it is time to pick up my children from school. On the way home, I ask my children about their day. At home, I help them with homework. In the evening, I start preparing dinner. I cook a healthy meal and set the table. We eat dinner together and talk and laugh. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and relax on the sofa. I watch a TV show quietly and enjoy the calm evening. When it is time for bed, I turn off the TV and prepare myself for sleep. I wash my face, change into my pajamas, and read a book for a few minutes. Then I turn off the lights in the house. I go to bed and fall asleep peacefully, ready for a new day tomorrow.
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I check the time on my phone. I check the time on my phone. I get out of bed and start my day. I get out of bed and start my day. I make my bed neatly every morning. I make my bed neatly every morning. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth. I apply moisturizer to my face. I get dressed in comfortable clothes. I get dressed in comfortable clothes. I walk into the kitchen quietly. I make a cup of hot coffee. I make I drink my coffee slowly. Slowly. I prepare breakfast for my family. I cook eggs in a pan. I cook eggs in a pan. I cook eggs in a pan. I make toast and spread butter on it. I make toast and spread butter on it. I set the table for breakfast. I set the table for breakfast. Kids, breakfast is ready! I call my children to we eat breakfast.
We eat breakfast together as a family.
I wash the dishes after breakfast. I wash the dishes after breakfast. I pack lunch for my children. I pack lunch for my children.
I help my children get ready for school.
I help my children get ready for school.
I check their backpacks carefully. I check their backpacks carefully. I check their backpacks carefully.
Okay, Mom.
I say goodbye and wave my hand.
Goodbye, Mom. Bye, Mom.
I say goodbye and wave my hand.
Goodbye. Bye.
I clean the living room and kitchen.
I clean the kitchen. I sweep the floor slowly. I sweep floor slowly. I put clothes into the washing machine. I put clothes into the washing machine. I fold clean clothes neatly. I fold clean clothes neatly. I sit down and rest for a moment. I sit down and rest for a moment. I check messages on my phone. I check messages on my phone. I plan my tasks for the day. I plan my tasks for the day.
I go grocery shopping in the afternoon.
I go grocery shopping in the afternoon.
I choose fresh vegetables carefully.
I choose fresh vegetables carefully. I carry the groceries home. I carry the groceries home.
I put the food into the fridge.
I put
I pick up my children from school. I pick up my children from school. I ask my children about their day.
I ask my children about their day.
I help my children with homework. I help my children with homework.
I start preparing dinner in the evening. I start preparing dinner in the evening. I cook a healthy dinner for my family. I cook a healthy dinner for my family.
I set the table for dinner.
I set the table for dinner.
We eat dinner together and talk.
We eat together and talk. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I relax on the sofa for a while. I relax on the sofa for a while. I watch a TV show quietly. I watch a TV show quietly. I prepare myself for bedtime. I prepare myself for bedtime. I wash my face before sleeping. I wash my face before sleeping.
I change into my pajamas. I change into my pajamas.
I read a book for a few minutes. I read a book. I turn off the lights in the house. I turn off the lights in the house. I go to bed and fall asleep peacefully. I go to bed and fall asleep peacefully.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, Learn English Today. Don't forget to like, share, and practice English every day. See you in the next video.